Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to create a multi-page Canva website. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now first, what you gotta do is open Canva. You can open the Canva app or you can just type canva.com. In the search bar, type website to see available templates. Now click on all filters and select free to filter out paid options. Choose a multi-page template that suits your needs. Template will indicate the number of pages they have. Now what you got to do next is click Customize to start editing. Double click on the text boxes to change the content. Use the toolbar to adjust the font, size, color and style. Now click on Photos and choose Edit Photo to apply filters or effects. You can also upload your own image via the Upload section. Use Canva's Elements tab to add graphics, shapes or other design elements. Change the background of each page if needed. Now click on the page you want to rename, go to Add Notes and type in the new title. This will update the navigation menu on your published site. Now click Preview to see how your site looks with the navigation bar. Click Public Website in the top right corner. Ensure With Navigation is selected to include the menu bar. Opt for a free Canva domain or purchase a custom domain. Now customize your page URL and add a description for SEO purposes. Click Publish to make your site live. Use a provided link to visit your live website or copy the URL to share it. Keep your content updated to reflect any changes or new information. Check how your site looks on mobile devices and adjust accordingly. Ensure all links in your navigation bar works correctly. And that's it. Well, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.